Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you all are fine as well as healthy. We are learning biology chapter number 1 and the title of chapter number 1 is Living World. In last video lecture we have talked about the taxonomical categories as well as taxonomical hierarchy as well as the different type of taxa as well as taxon. Okay, so before starting today's lecture we are going to revise the last video lecture at a glance. So in last video lecture we have talked about the different types of taxonomical categories. Okay, so what is the meaning of taxonomical categories? You know that it is one type of category, or if the categories are involved in the process of classification, then it is known as taxonomical type of category. And you know that what is the definition of classification? Classification is one type of scientific method in which living organisms are arranged or placed into same or different taxa according to similarities or dissimilarities of their particular characters. And you know that the classification is not a single stepped process, it is not a simple process, it is one type of multi-stepped or complex process. Means so many different type of processes are connected with each other and will form a huge process. It is known as classification. Okay, so what is classification? You can say that, what is taxonomical categories? You can say that if the different type of categories or different type of ranges are as a part of classification process, and it is known as taxonomical categories. And you know that these all taxonomical categories combine with each other and will form taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, taxonomical hierarchy. These all different types of taxonomical categories combine with each other and will form taxonomical hierarchy. And what about the taxa? Okay, so this taxa, this word is very much important. Taxa is one type of taxonomical category, and if we write some examples of taxa, okay, if we write some examples of taxa, then see I am writing some examples. First example is the kingdom. First example is what is of the kingdom. Second example we can say that sub-kingdom. Second example we can say that sub-kingdom. Third example we can say that infra-kingdom. Third example we can say that infra-kingdom. What about the fourth example? Fourth example of taxa, or the fourth name will be what? Fourth name will be of the phylum. But you know that the phylum is used only for the classification of animals. Okay, so for animals you will use only one word which is known as the phylum, or phylum is used for the classification of animals. And what about the division? Okay, so division is one type of taxa, okay, which will be used for the classification of plants. Okay, so for animals phylum is there, for plants division is there. So point number 4, or the example number 4 is about the phylum. Then example number 5 is about the class. Okay, example number 6 is about the order. Example number 7 is about the family. Example number 7 is about the family. Then example number 8 is about the genus. Okay, example number 8 is about the genus. Example number 9 is about what? Is about the species. So you are going to remember these all names in this sequence. Okay, you know that in last video lecture you have done the homework of this all name, but in today's video lecture you will write extra homework for this. You will write these 9 names in this sequence for how many times? For 5 times. Okay, this 5 times is a homework of today's lecture. So see, remember taxa are there: kingdom, sub-kingdom, infra-kingdom, phylum for animals, division for plants, class, then order, then family, genus and species. You know that the kingdom is the largest taxa. Kingdom is what? Kingdom is the largest taxa, so kingdom is known as taxon. Okay, so kingdom is known as what? So kingdom is known as taxon. So you remember taxon word is used for kingdom because it is the largest taxa, while while species is what? While species is one type of smallest taxa. You will remember species is one type of what? Species is one type of smallest taxa. So it is the different type of example of taxa, and today we are going to learn about the short note for the different type of taxa like species, genus, family, order, okay, according to your syllabus. So first of all we are going to start the short note from the smallest taxa, which is known as what? Which is known as species. So today's title is what? Today's title is species. Okay, see here, today's title is species, and it is a question of 2 marks. It is a question of 2 marks, and it is the most important question. It is the most important question. 100% definitely it will be asked in exam. Okay, so this question is 100% important. Okay, species. So first point, what is species? We can say that species is one type of taxa. Point number 1, we can say that it is nothing but it is what? It is one type of taxa. It is one type of taxa which is useful. It is one type of taxa which is useful in taxonomy. It is one type of taxa which is useful or which will be used in taxonomy or during the process of the classification. Now if we talk about the point number 2, what is the definition? Point number 2, we can say that what is the definition of species? It is one type of group of organisms. It is one type of group of organisms having what? Having similar characters. Having what? Having similar characters. So point number 2 is about what? Point number 2 is about the definition. Okay, point number 2 is what? Point number 2 is about the definition of the species. So you will write this definition for 5 times in your homework book. Okay, and you know that you are going to make a one separate book for the only definitions, and you will also write this definition in this book of definition. So what is the definition of species? It is one type of group of different types of organisms having what? Having the similar characters. Okay, it is known as species. See, we are humans. Okay, we are of the same species. You and me both are of the same species because the character of mine and character of yours both are same. Okay, if we talk about the lion and sparrow, then these both are not included into same species because the character of lion and characters of the sparrow both are not same. So many different type of characters are found. Okay, so it is one type of group of organisms having what? Having similar characters. See, important word is what? We can say that important word is the similar characters. Now what about the point number 3? We can say that we can separate one species from other species according to what? According to what? Then we can say that according to characters. Okay, according to characters. So point number 3, we can separate what and what? We can separate one species from the other species according to what? According to character. You know the species of lion is different and species of sparrow is different because the characters of both are different. Okay, so according to character, you know that the classification is only possible if characters are there. Without character, classification is not possible. So classification is one type of process which is based upon different types of character. Okay, what is the base of classification? Character is the base of classification. Character is the base of taxonomy. So we can separate the one species from other species. Okay, according to what? According to their different types of characters. What about the point number 4? Point number 4, we can say that the organisms of same species are able to do what? Are able to do sexual type of reproduction. Are able to do what? Are able to do sexual type of reproduction. See, we are talking about the natural reproduction, sometimes artificial, okay, or induced reproduction or induced breeding is also possible. Okay, but naturally sexual reproduction is found, okay, between the different type of organisms of same species. Okay, for example, you know that the male lion and female lion are going to do reproduction. Okay, male and female of human both are going to do reproduction on the process of copulation. And you know the two types of reproduction are there, sexual and asexual. In plants, vegetative reproduction is also there, but you will only remember this sexual reproduction because we all are the higher animals. So sexual reproduction is only found in the same species. So point number 4 is about the reproduction. Now in point number 5, we will write some examples. And remember, you know that if we talk about the scientific name, okay, see, scientific name which is unique and universal. So scientific name is done with the help of binomial nomenclature system. And if you are knowing the scientific name of any living organism, then scientific name is made up of two things. The first name of scientific name is of genus and second is of species. Okay, scientific name having the two different type of name. First is of genus and second is of species. So if you are known about the scientific name of any living organism, then you can know about its genus and species. See, according to your syllabus, there are total 3 different types of organisms. The first one is about the mango, second organism is about the potato, and third organism is about the lion. Okay, so if we talk about the 3 organisms, then the scientific name of all 3 will be what? For mango, we can say that scientific name is Mangifera indica. For potato, we can say that Solanum tuberosum. For lion, we can say that Panthera leo. Okay, see, we are writing this all scientific name, so underline is must. Okay, don't forget to follow the rules for the scientific name. The first letter of all will be capital and remaining all are smaller. Okay, and these all are the word of the Latin language. Okay, so 3 different type of names of organisms are there. First name is of mango, second is of potato, third is of lion. The scientific name of mango, Mangifera indica, scientific name of potato, Solanum tuberosum, and scientific name of lion is Panthera leo. See, there is 3 are the one-liner question. You will remember these 3, okay, and you will write this all scientific name in the book of definition. Okay, so 3 scientific names are there. So we can say that, see, in scientific name, the first name will be always of name of genus, okay, and the second name will be always of the species. So we can say that from point number 5, we can write point number 6. From point number 5, total 3 examples are there. We can say that thus Mangifera, then Solanum and Panthera. Mangifera, Solanum and Panthera. Remember, underline is must. You are still writing the scientific name, means the name of what? The name of genus. Mangifera, Solanum and Panthera are what? Are the one type of name of genus. Are one type of what? Are one type of genus. These all are one type of genera. While point number 7, we can say that indica indica, then tuberosum and Leo. Indica, tuberosum and Leo, these all are what? These all are the name of species. These all are name of what? These all are name of species. Okay, so if you are knowing the scientific name, then you will get the name of genus and species. It is the one linear question. Okay, find out the name of genus or find out the name of species. Okay, Mangifera, Solanum, Panthera, these all are name of genus, while Indica, Tuberosum and Leo, these all are the name of what? These all are the name of different type of species. Now, see, point number 8 is very important. We can say that it is possible that one genus, see, we are talking about genus, one genus having two or more species. See, it is possible that one genus having two or more what? Two or more species. Okay, it means Mangifera is genus, Mangifera having this one species, yes, Indica, but it is possible that, okay, different type of other species are also there for the genus Mangifera. Okay, we will write with it, we will understand it with example. For example, first example, if we talk about the Panthera. Okay, see here, Panthera is what? Panthera is one type of genus, yes or no? Yes, Panthera is one type of genus. Panthera having Leo. Okay, Leo is what? Leo is one type of species, but Panthera having Tigris as well as Pardus. Okay, so Panthera is one type of genus. This genus having different three type of species. Okay, these three are what? These three are one type of species. Second example, if we talk about the genus Solanum. Okay, what is Solanum? Solanum is one type of genus, or it is a name of genera, and you know that the Solanum having what? Solanum having the tuberosum. Yes, tuberosum is there, but you can say that another species which is known as nigrum. Okay, another species which is known as nigrum is also there for the tuberosum. So it is possible that one genus having the two or more different type of species. And point number 8 having the two examples, Panthera is genus, Leo, Tigris, Pardus are the species of genus Panthera, while Tuberosum and Nigrum are the species of genus Solanum. Okay, point number 8 is completed. Now, if we talk about the point number 9, if we talk about the modern human, if we talk about the for modern humans, the scientific name of modern human is Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens. See, Homo is what? Homo is the one type of name of genus. Okay, Homo is one type of name of genus. First sapien is one type of species, and second sapien is one type of subspecies. But you know that the Homo erectus, okay, is the scientific name of primitive human, and Homo futurus is the scientific name of future human. So Homo is one type of genus. It is possible that Homo having different type of species. Okay, so this question of species is 100% completed. Okay, total 9 points are there and 3 scientific names are there. So in today's video lecture, we are going to talk about the two topics. So the first part or the first topic of species is completed. Now we will talk about a very important short note and very short note of the second one, which is known as genus. Okay, so this question of species is 100% completed. Remember, in the question of genus, total how many? Total 3 scientific names are there, and these 3 scientific names are very much important. And remember that from the scientific name you are able to get the name of genus as well as species. But first of all, we are going to write the all 3 scientific names here. So the first organism is about the mango. What about the second organism is potato, and third organism is lion. Okay, So the scientific name of mango is what? Is Mangifera. Is what? Is Mangifera indica. Okay, what about the potato? We can say that Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum. What about the lion? Panthera leo. Okay, Panthera leo. And you know that these three first name are of name of genus, name of species, and remaining second three are name of what? Name of genus. So the second part or the second question of today's lecture is important, which is known as genus. Okay, what is the genus? We can say that genus is what? It is one type of group. See definition, it is important. It is one type of group of closely related species. It is one type of group of closely related species. Okay, so two different type of species which are closely connected or related with each other will put on the same genus. Okay, so it is first point. Now if we write the second point, we can say that it is possible that it is what? It is possible that one genus having two or more than two, species. It is possible that one genus having two or more than two species. Okay, let's understand it with example. Point number 3 is about the example. Okay, this point number 3 is very much important because some MCQs are there. For example, if we write the two different type of organism, we are writing the potato. Okay, we are writing the potato, and second one is about the onion. So potato and onion both are what? Both are different type of organism, but if we talk about the species, then the species of both are different. Okay, remember the species of both are what? The species of both are different, but we can say that the genus of both will be same. Okay, the genus of potato and onion will be same, and what will be the genus? Genus will be the Solanum. Okay, genus will be what? Genus will be the Solanum. So see, understand the first example, we can say that two different type of organisms, potato and onion, species will be always different, because if organisms are different, then species will be 100% different, but see the genus will be same. Okay, it means Solanum having the species of potato as well as species of onion. If we talk about the second example, in second example we are writing some name like the lion, tiger, second animal is tiger, and third one is about the leopard. So for lion, tiger and leopard, we can say that the species of all three will be 100% different. Okay, the species of all three will be 100% different, because see I am writing the species. Leo is the species of lion, then for tiger, tigris is the species, and for leopard, pardus is the species. Okay, so species of all three will be different, but if we talk about the genus, then genus of all will be same. Okay, the genus will be what? The genus will be Panthera. Okay, underline is must. The genus will be what? The genus will be Panthera. So from two examples, we can say that yes, it is possible that different type of organisms having the same type of genus, but remember, if organism will be changed, then species will be 100% changed. Okay, so total, how many total 3 points are there? Now if we talk about the point number 4, see I am writing the one organism, cat. Okay, for cat the genus of cat will be Felis. Okay, see, Felis is what? Felis is one type of genus for cat. You know that the lion, tiger, leopard and cat both belongs to the cat family, but see, we are not talking about family, we are talking about genus. Okay, this lion, first, second tiger, third leopard and fourth one is what? Fourth one is cat. This four organism, the family will be what? Family will be cat family. Okay, but if we talk about the genus, then genus for cat will be Felis and genus for all three will be Panthera. And if we talk about the species, then species of all four will be what? All four will be different. Okay, so remember, different type of MCQs will be asked. Okay, different type of complex MCQs will be asked. So you will remember that Solanum is one type of genus, Solanum having potato and onion. Panthera is one type of genus, Panthera is not a species or family, and Panthera having lion, tiger, leopard means Pardus, tigris and Leo. While Felis is what? It is not species, it is not family, it is one type of genus, and all type of cat belongs to what? Belongs to the genus Felis. Okay, so two short notes are there. Okay, definitions of both genus and species you will write for how many times? You will write for the 5 times. It is extra homework. You will do regular homework as per rules. Okay, so today's question is 100% completed. Thank you very much.